Good morning. Today we are starting a small lecture on medical terminology, and today I am giving you a list of word roots and body organs. We start from the head. Head, the word root is cephal. Head, cephal. cephal, cephal. Next is brain. For brain, encephal. So the difference between cephal and encephal is encephal means something inside the cephal. Cephal is head, and inside the head is brain. So head is cephal, brain is encephal. Then is skin. It has three word roots: derm, dermat, and cutane. Derm, dermat, and cutane, like dermatitis and subcutaneous. I am still on face. Next organ is eye. Eye is ophthalm. 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 Ophthalmologist is the specialist of the diseases of the eye. Ophthalm. Labio. Labi. It means lip. Nose. Rhine. Rhino. O. Rhine is the word root and O is the vowel. So these are combining words for nose. Rhino. Rhine and O. Rhine is the word root and O is the vowel. Ear. Ot. Otitis. Otorrhea. Otitis. Inflammation or infection of the ear. Otorrhea. Fluid discharge from the ear. Rhea means fluid discharge. Mouth. The word root is or. Oro. Inside the mouth we have tongue. There are two word roots for tongue. One is gloss, the other is lingu. Glosso and linguo. O in both the places is combining vowel. Word root is gloss and lingu. Tongue has two word roots, gloss and lingu. Neck. Neck word root is cervix. There are two necks in the human body. One is neck with the face and one is neck of the uterus. Both have the same word root, cervix. Cervix O. O is combining vowel. Then from the neck we go down, chest. Thoraco. Thorac. Thorac. Then we have breast on the chest. The word root for breast, there are two. One is mast, the other is mam. M-A-S-T, mast. M-A-L-L-M-O, mammo. Masto and mammo. Mammography, mastitis or mastectomy. Mastitis, infection of the breast. Mastectomy, surgical removal of the breast. And mammography, process of recording the breast. Then we have pharynx. Pharyngo. Pharynx is pharyng. Pharyng. Remember, this is Italian language or Greek language. The word roots are not in English. They are in Greek language or Italian language. Pharynx, this is English. But the word root is Greek. For example, this is pharyng. Next is larynx. Larynx is larynge. Larynx is larynge. Larynge is Italian or Greek. Larynge. Larynx is larynge. Laryngitis. Tracheo. Trach. Trach is trachea. Windpipe in the neck. Trachea. Windpipe. The word root is trach. Then is esophag. 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 Esophagus. Esophagus. This is food pipe. Then we have stomach. The word root for stomach is gaster. Gaster O. O is combining vowel. So this is combining form of gaster. Medical terminology is always made from the word root, never from the English word. Stomach, no. We always make from gaster. Gastritis, gastrectomy, gastrostomy, gastrodynia, pain in the stomach. Then inside the chest we have lung. And lung has three word roots: neem, pneumon, and pulmon. All these three stand for lung. Some organs have more than one word root. It is just because to make the pronunciation easy. There is no other meaning for having two or more word roots. The only reason is to make the pronunciation smooth. Along with the lungs, we have heart in the chest. The word root for heart is cardi. And cardio, O is of course combining vowel. Then there is the diaphragm. It's a layer that separates the chest from the abdomen. Diaphragm. And the word root is phreno. 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 We have ribs in the chest. The word root for rib is costo. Costitis, costectomy. Lung has three, I'm repeating, lung has three: neem, pneumon, pulmon, and stomach has one: gaster. Trach is trachea, windpipe. Esophag is esophagus, which is food pipe. Heart has cardi. Cardiologist, heart specialist. Cardiology, study of the disease of the heart. Diaphragm, this is a musculoskeletal layer in the which separates the chest from the abdomen. We have ribs in the chest. The word root for rib is costo. There is another bone in the center of the chest, that is sternum. The word root for sternum is sterno. In the abdomen we have two kidneys. The word root for kidney is ren, oblique O, which is combining vowel, and then nepher. There are two word roots for kidney, ren and nepher. Ren, rhinitis. Nepher, nephrectomy, surgical removal of the kidney. Reno, nephro, nepher and ren. Rhinitis. Urinary bladder. Cysto, cysto, cystitis, and there can be stone in the urinary bladder, and the word root for stone is lith, Lith, lith. Cystolith, stone in the kidney. Cystolith, stone in the kidney. This is all for this lecture. I will continue with the other video.